Welcome back to Auto MVP Garage 7, the channel where we explore innovative vehicles redefining urban mobility and modern transportation. Today we're taking an in-depth look at the 2026 Suzuki E-Access, an all-electric scooter that blends efficient electric propulsion, smart design, and everyday practicality into a compelling package for city riders and commuters. The 2026 Suzuki E-Access arrives with a contemporary exterior that balances sleek style and functional simplicity. The compact body features smooth, aerodynamic curves and clean lines that give the scooter a modern, friendly look without unnecessary complexity. The front fascia includes bright LED headlights and integrated turn indicators that improve visibility and add a crisp, fresh appearance. The compact dimensions and lightweight design make the E-Access exceptionally easy to maneuver through tight traffic, narrow streets, and crowded parking areas, making it ideal for urban environments where agility matters. Stepping onto the 2026 E-Access, you'll find a thoughtfully designed rider experience focused on practicality and comfort. The seat is well cushioned and contoured to support both short hops and longer rides across town. A low seat height enhances accessibility for a wide range of riders, and ample footboard space gives a relaxed and confident riding posture. The handlebars are positioned for intuitive control, and the overall ergonomics help reduce fatigue during daily commuting. Underneath its stylish exterior, the Suzuki E-Access is powered by an efficient electric motor that delivers smooth, quiet acceleration and zero tailpipe emissions. The instant torque characteristic of electric propulsion makes getting through stop-and-go city traffic feel responsive and effortless. The battery system is optimized for urban range, accommodating typical daily travel distances with confidence while keeping charging needs straightforward. Regenerative braking helps recapture energy during deceleration, further improving efficiency and extending riding range in everyday use. Technology in the 2026 Suzuki E-Access supports both convenience and rider awareness. A clear digital instrument cluster displays essential information such as speed, battery level, range estimates, and ride mode status, all at a glance. A USB charging port keeps devices powered while on the go, and intuitive control switches make it easy to adjust settings without distraction. Practical storage options under the seat and optional accessories help carry essentials like a helmet, bag, or personal items securely. Safety and rider confidence are enhanced with systems designed to support everyday operation. Reliable braking performance, bright LED lighting, and stable chassis dynamics contribute to secure handling in varied traffic conditions. The electric drivetrain's smooth power delivery and predictable responsiveness help make urban riding more manageable and enjoyable. Practicality remains a core strength of the 2026 E-Access. The compact footprint and nimble handling make parking and navigating city streets effortless, while the silent electric operation adds to a calm and enjoyable ride experience. Whether used for commuting to work, running errands around town, or cruising neighborhood streets, the Suzuki E-Access provides a clean, efficient, and fun way to get around. The 2026 Suzuki E-Access represents a thoughtful approach to urban electric mobility, combining efficient performance, comfortable ergonomics, modern technology, and everyday convenience into a package built for city life. It's an appealing option for riders looking to reduce running costs, cut emissions, and enjoy easy-to-use electric transportation without sacrificing comfort or practicality. Thank you for watching Auto MVP Garage 7. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the 2026 Suzuki E-Access, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and automotive insights. More exciting vehicle breakdowns are on the way, and we'll see you in the next video.